If you or your employees get stuck while using Office 365 for your business, you can always get help. Sign into Office.com with your work email and choose Admin. In the lower right corner, choose Need Help. If you have a question about password expiration, type the question and you see instructions. Then yes, if this was helpful. If you have a question about a more complex topic, like data loss prevention, you're taken to a support article on the subject and how to get started. For everything else, visit support.office.com, where you'll find learning and troubleshooting resources for your business, like the Admin Help Center, which includes training courses, quick start guides, and help with Office apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. To join a community of users, scroll to the bottom of the page and choose Ask the Community. This takes you to answers.microsoft.com, where you can search for answers, start a discussion, and ask questions from other users. And lastly, visit techcommunity.microsoft.com to join a community of experts and discover best practices with Office 365 for your business.